This 2024 Keystone Passport SL Series West 282 QBWE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Salem, Oregon, 97305 and is offered for sale by Highway Trailer Sales. This new Keystone is 33 feet 3 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Slate interior, sleeps 10, smoke detector, DVD player, TV, external shower, stove top burner, skylight, water heater, air conditioning, Colorado Detector, LP detector, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Passport SL Series West 282 QBWE is 6,100 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Highway Trailer Sales, visit RVUSA.com.